Hello and welcome to Team Atlantic channel. Today we'll tell you about calculations of resistors in series and parallel connections as well as in LED circuits. For this you need to use free Team Atlantic service.
Today we will introduce you to two calculation problems that you can easily solve using our website. The first job is to calculate the series and parallel connections of resistors. The second job is to calculate the resistor in the circuit with the LED. First problem first. Calculating the resistance of a common circuit of series-connected resistors is a very simple task. Let's select three resistors and see the sum. Simple! In a case of a series connection, there is also a reverse problem that can occur. This is the case when there is a known common resistance of two resistors. One resistor is known, and the second one needs to be calculated. In this case, select the calculation mode Calculate Missing Resistor. Enter the total value of 123 ohms and one resistor 90 ohms. Calculate and get the value of 33 ohms. And you can immediately see the color marking or SMD marking of the calculated resistor. Very convenient and fast. When calculating, you can select the number of resistors up to 10. However, for a parallel connection of resistors, the calculation is not so simple. Here you need to sum up the reverse values of the resistors. This is the sum of the conductivities. Select a connection of two resistors. Enter the first value 200 ohms and the second value 40 ohms. This calculation is faster than with a regular calculator. In a parallel connection, the reverse problem also exists. There is a known common resistance of two resistors. One resistor is known and the second one needs to be calculated. In this case, select the calculation mode Calculate Missing Resistor. We enter the total value of 70 ohms and one resistor 100 ohms. Calculate and get the value of 233.3 ohms. And you can immediately see the color marking or SMD marking of the calculated resistor. Fast and convenient. When calculating, the correctness of the input is checked, and if there is an error, a message will appear. The total resistance of the resistors exceeds the desired value. Please make sure your input values are correct. When calculating, you can select up to 10 resistors. The second calculation problem in our video today is calculating a resistor in an LED circuit. There can be one or several LEDs connected in series, a very typical job. It must indicate the total voltage in the circuit, the number and color of LEDs. Depending on the color of the radiation of the resistor, a different voltage drops on this semiconductor, and our calculation takes this into account. Let's choose a voltage of 12 volts and we need a current in the circuit of 5 milliamps, and we have 3 blue LEDs. Click on Calculate and you're done! Below is the resistor value and its appearance in color code and SMD code. Fast and convenient!
Thank you for watching the video to the end. We hope it was useful to you. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next training course. Bye bye and see you there!